Hooray! I've got a golden ticket!
Welcome to our airplane. Let's distribute the suitcases correctly. Wrong. Let's find a square shelf. Ha ha. Mistake. We need a triangular shelf.
This golden ticket is awesome! It's still hot! She's bothering me in first class!
Please, take your seat in economy according to your ticket.
She's bothering me in first class!
Please, take your seat in economy according to your ticket.
Milkshakes are for golden tickets only! He's bothering me in first class!
Please take your seat in economy according to your ticket.
They're having so much fun together. I just wanted to play with I'm sorry for sending you away. Now you have golden tickets too.
Yeah!
Hey! You ruined my zombie car!
Oh, my princess dress! No, being a princess is better.
No! Zombies are better!
What should I choose to paint my toys pink? Oh. The table is now pink.
Oops, sorry.
You can only enter our house if you're wearing pink.
What should we choose to get the pink side? Yeah, pink.
The pool is pink. It's for princesses.
No, the pool is green. It's for zombies.
Yeah. What's happened?
We wanted to play zombies.
And we wanted to play princesses.
Each game is fun in its own way.
I'm sorry.
It's always more fun to play together.
Would you like a drink?
Meow.
You have been playing all day.
Just a little more, please.
Meow.
Oh no! Our parents have become babies. We need to catch the babies by surprise.
I can't see anything. Let's catch them.
We must catch them in time.
They're too fast.
Late again. Sorry, we were misbehaving.
Looking after kids is not easy. Wow, a dress-up tablet!
Can we buy this tablet, please?
Hey. Yeah. Oh.
Mommy's tired from work. She needs to rest.
Meow. Oh.
Daddy seems bored. He needs some fun.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Let Mommy swim like a mermaid.
Meow.
Daddy needs an outfit to collect the balls. Maybe Hedgehog Spines will help.
Meow. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Ruff. Oh. Meow. Hey. Meow.
Oh no! The tablet is broken! We need to fix the tablet to fix everything! We were changing our parents' outfits and the tablet broke!
The dress code must correspond to place. You can change it however you want.
Sorry!
Let's connect the dress code to the place to fix the tablet. Connect clothes and places.
Wow! A dress-up tablet!
Don't press all the buttons at the same time.
How are we going to get home now?
There are no tickets left for them now.
Sorry for taking all the tickets.
Meow. Don't play on the escalator and hold on to the handrails. This is the train schedule board. We need train number 3. Yeah?
Oh no! Where did Leo go?
Yeah.
Daddy, the train has arrived!
That is not our train. We need train number 3. Don't run after the train and don't cross the safety line. It's dangerous. We can find Leo by his bracelet's GPS location. Hi, Leo. What's happened?
I've lost my daddy and sister!
Don't worry. They're already on their way to pick you up at the next station. We must follow Leo.
We need to go left. No, that's to the right. We need to go left. Now we need to go right. Hooray! We have caught up with Leo. Hooray! We have found Leo.
Yeah. Well done asking the police for help.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack.
Let's find your mommy. I think I found mommy's duck's feather.
Hey! Hey!
Oh, it's not feathers, it's fluff.
We can find your mom by following the footprints.
Careful, do not crash into shelves and counters.
Down, right, up, right. That's not Mommy Duck. Your mommy should be here somewhere. The ducklings have left with Raccoon.
I'm calling the police.
Bring back the ducklings! If you get lost, don't go with strangers. Go to police officers or security guards. You're under arrest. I just wanted to return the babies to their mom.
Quack.
Hey. Hey. Hey.